Good morning, class 7. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 15, that is light. And today we will discuss about the spherical mirrors. So, spherical mirrors means, sphere means what? A round shaped structure. So today we are going to discuss about this spherical mirrors. So here the two characters from your book, Bujo and Paheli, they are on the dining table and they are waiting for food. But at the same time, what Bujo did, he took a steel plate and see that his image is present in the steel plate. The same is done by Paheli but with a spoon, and she is also able to see her face, but there is a little bit difference. The difference is, in the steel plate image is erect and is of the same size, but in the spoon the image is erect but it is what? Smaller size. So in this way they understood that any shiny surface can create an image of object. Now here we are going to perform an activity that is called 15.1. So to perform that activity we have to take a stainless steel spoon. Outer side of that spoon near your face and look into it. So keep the outer side of the spoon in front of you and look into that what type of image is producing. So you will observe that there is a image. Then if you go in the inner side of the image, you will find that image is erect and larger in size. The image is erect and larger in size. See the condition. If you are observing your image in a spoon, and you will see that image is larger and it is also erect. Now increase the distance of your face from the spoon. You will find that there is the inverted image is formed, means upside down. The image formed is inverted, upside down. Okay. Now here we have to understand that the curved shining surface of the spoon acts as a mirror. As I told you already that any shiny polished surface acts as a mirror. So here the curved surface of the spoon acts as a mirror. And the most common example of curved mirror is spherical mirrors. And today we are going to discuss about the spherical mirrors. So here if you take a rubber ball and cut it by the knife or any other sharp instrument from the between, then you will find that you will get a surface like this from a ball. So if you cut it, it will separate. So surface like that you will get. So if you find that this side is a cave-like structure, here is a cave-like structure. So this is called concave side, and here is a little V-shaped structure. So this is called convex. So remember, cave, concave, V, convex. This is must be clear. This is concave, this is convex. So the spherical mirror, if the reflective surface is concave, it is called concave mirror. And if the reflecting surface is concave, then it is called concave mirror. So this is, you have to remember very well, because sometimes students will confuse with that. So if cave-like structure, if this surface is mirror, then it is concave mirror. If this surface is working, then it is called convex. So concave, convex. So in a spoon, The inner side is concave and the outer side is convex mirror. So now I hope you are able to understand this concave and convex thing. Now we are going to perform an activity 15.5. Here what you need to do is you need to take a concave mirror, means this side. You need to take a concave mirror and a sheet of paper which you use as a screen, and you have to go in the sunlight and try to reflect the sunlight on the surface of the white paper and adjust the mirror till the time you are not get the image of sun from the concave mirror here. So here we are getting the image on a screen. Here by the help of a concave mirror we are getting the image of sun on a screen. So I hope you are you already understood about the real image and virtual image. So this image is what type of image? The answer is, if we get an image on a screen, that image is called a real image. If we are able to get an image on a screen, that image is called the real image. And if any image, if we don't get on an screen, it is called a virtual image. So class, this is how concave mirror form a image of sun on a screen, that is a real image. And I hope you are able to understand about concave and convex mirror and convex mirror. So class, if any problem, ask me, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.